Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. I'm going to try to give you guys a quick fix if you guys have this issue. And apparently this issue is kind of common on Nissan Infinitis with radio hit units. The controls are connected to the radio, for whatever reason, the buttons for the AC and everything else just don't seem to work. You can operate your radio from the steering wheel, but the head unit itself, the radio and the buttons that control the AC and the heating and everything else don't work. And if you guys have your AC on, it'll just keep on blasting and you won't be able to turn it off. And sometimes you won't be able to turn the AC on by pushing the button because the buttons don't work. The radio will work from the steering wheel, but as far as the radio console is concerned, it's not working. It doesn't work. So if you guys have this problem, a lot of people suggest that you change out the whole radio unit with all the buttons. If you can do that, if you can go on eBay and buy that, you could do that. Swap it out. It might fix it. Go to the dealership, they'll probably charge you around $600, $700, $800, $900, and that might fix it. However, I've been doing some research around, and what you guys can do, and here are the tricks that you guys can do, okay, as far as trying to get this to work. And it's worked for some people. It might work for you, I'm not sure, but first of all, you want to try to reset the whole entire system, your car, the radio system. So basically, how you guys do that is you guys take the wire off the battery. Now, this is just the first thing that you guys want to do because it's the easiest part. You guys could take the negative cable off the battery for, I don't know, a good 5 minutes and put it back on and see if that actually changes anything. Get the buttons to work, get the radio on the console to work, and the buttons to work, the AC button, etc., etc. I've heard that some people try that and it's worked for them. However, in a lot of cases, it doesn't work for a lot of people. So the second thing you guys could try to do is there's a set of fuses under the steering wheel. There's also a set of fuses on the driver's side under the hood. Now, there is a radio fuse. There's a radio fuse. And that radio fuse is under the hood portion. There's a fuse box under the hood, and there's a radio fuse there. But generally what you want to do in this situation is you want to just test out all the fuses to make sure that all your fuses are good. Well, in this situation, what's helped a lot of people in this situation is they find what that radio fuse is, and a lot of times that radio fuse is blown. So if you change that radio fuse out, or if it's not blown, what you could do is you could take the radio fuse, you can take it out, take the negative off the battery so there's no power, and then you put everything back together and see if that helps you out. Now, if the fuse is blown, obviously what you want to do is you want to change out the fuse. Obviously that's probably your situation. That's what's causing your issue. If there's a blown fuse, which you shouldn't have a blown fuse for the radio. So that could possibly be a fix for that. All right, guys, and I hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Hope this has fixed your issue without you guys having to replace that radio unit, hopefully. Anyway, guys, take care.